Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to pursue your passions, all because you've harnessed the power of AI to build wealth. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that's within reach for anyone willing to learn and adapt. Let's dive into how you can get rich with AI, starting from the ground up. First, understand that AI is not just for tech giants. It's a tool that anyone can leverage. Begin by educating yourself about the basics of AI. There are countless online resources, courses, and communities dedicated to demystifying this technology. Familiarize yourself with concepts like machine learning, natural language processing, and data analysis. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to spot opportunities. Next, consider how AI can streamline existing businesses. Many companies are looking to automate repetitive tasks to save time and money. If you can identify a niche where AI can improve efficiency, you can either create a solution or offer consulting services. Think about industries like healthcare, finance, or logistics. Each has unique challenges that AI can address. Now, let's talk about creating your own AI-driven product. If you have a great idea, don't hesitate to explore it. You can develop an app that uses AI to solve a specific problem or enhance user experiences. For instance, consider building a personal finance app that uses AI to analyze spending habits and suggest saving strategies. With the right execution, this could attract a significant user base and generate revenue through subscriptions or ads. Investing in AI startups is another avenue. If you have some capital, look for promising AI companies that are just starting out. Research their business models, the problems they solve, and their growth potential. Investing early in the right company can yield substantial returns as they scale. Furthermore, consider the power of content creation. AI tools can help you generate high-quality content quickly. Whether it's writing articles, creating videos, or designing graphics, AI can enhance your productivity. Use these tools to build a personal brand or a business that generates passive income through affiliate marketing or ad revenue. Networking is crucial in the AI space. Attend conferences, join online forums, and connect with like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with innovators and entrepreneurs can lead to collaborations and new opportunities. You never know who might have the next big idea or who could become your business partner. Lastly, stay adaptable. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. Keep learning, experimenting, and pivoting as necessary. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Each setback can teach you valuable lessons that will ultimately guide you toward wealth. In summary, getting rich with AI is about education, innovation, and adaptability. By understanding the technology, identifying opportunities, creating solutions, and connecting with others, you can carve out your own path to financial success. The future is bright for those willing to embrace AI, and it's time to take the first step.